Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Finally, the wait is over. Galaxy Note 10 Plus got the One UI 7. Well, this is not official One UI 7, but this is the ported ROM that ported for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The One UI 7 features almost working. Well, I would not say that this is a totally stable ROM, but we can use this ROM as a daily driver. Yes, as a daily driver. So you can see that Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the model number that I got is N975F/DS. This is the dual SIM set, and both IMEI numbers are present here. Both SIM card inserted and signals are coming. After tapping the software information, so this is what currently is on my mobile phone. One UI version 7.0, Android 15, baseband number provided, and Google Play system update is 1st Feb 2025, kernel version, the build number. This is actually EternityROM version 5.0. With the One UI 7, we are getting the Galaxy AI features, which is coming with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I have used the Galaxy AI feature, but these are the features that coming latest with this ported ROM. Now brief, audio eraser, and a few more. This ROM can be installed only on the Exynos chipset model of the Galaxy Note 10 family. Well, the device is not certified, but we can make the device certified by installing the modules. The Google Play Store working very fine. I have installed all the applications that you can see on my mobile phone straight away from the Google Play Store. Well, I have checked the WhatsApp and the WhatsApp is working very fine. So I got two mobile phones, Galaxy Note 10 Plus having One UI 7 portrait ROM, and to the right side Galaxy S21 Plus having official One UI 7 ROM. So I will test the WhatsApp. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you all must be doing good. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you all must be doing good. So the voice recording working. Now let me make a voice call. Good morning.
Good morning.
The voice call is working. Now let me check the video call. Yes, the video
Yes,
call
the
is
video.
working. So this was the test of WhatsApp on Galaxy Note 10 Plus having One UI 7 ported ROM applications that are downloaded from the Play Store working fine with no issues. About the banking applications, yes, they are working. This ROM is pre-rooted with kernel SU Next, and with this kernel SU, you can install the modules to make the device certified, and you can use the rooted applications, whatever rooted applications you want to have on your mobile phone. New control center with the One UI 7 that you can see on your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The fingerprint scanner is working perfectly.
Press 1 to avail emergency loan of 30 rupees since your balance is insufficient to make this call.
The calling is working, audio calls working, and the call recording also working.
Please, since your balance is insufficient to make
The VOLTE, you can see that both SIM card is having VOLTE. The animations is smooth with the OneUI 7 ported ROM on this mobile phone. Using the OneUI 7 ported ROM on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, after all, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is an old device, but you will see no lag because the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is handling the OneUI 7 ROM quite impressively. Bluetooth connectivity working. I have connected my Bluetooth hands-free with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus having OneUI 7. Connected for calls. Now let me make a call. Currently the call is connected and it is connected with the Bluetooth hands-free Jabra, this one. Now the mobile phone is on the speaker and the
कौन
record
इंसान
is also
आपने
working.
मुकर्ररा
Now
वक्त
let
में
me turn
कोई
off the
इंतजार
speaker
नहीं
so the call will automatically goes to the earpiece. Now let me tap on the Jabra and now the call is transferred to the Bluetooth hands-free. Camera application, yes, it is working and we can take pictures, we can record videos, and also if I tap on the resolution here, we can record in 4K with 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. But with the 4K video, the 30 frame per second is working fine. But let me show the video that I recorded. Now this one is 4K with 30 frame per second and the recording result is smooth. Let me play the video once again, and this one is 4K with 60 frame per second. Let me show 4K, the frame per second currently showing 45 frame per second the video is recorded, but it have a lag. The video is not that smooth. So if you want to record 4K video, keep it on 30 frame per seconds. Other than that, the modes are working, and but do not expect more from the camera applications because the camera application may have a little issues and must read the description to know what are the bugs coming with the camera. The message application is working fine. I am getting incoming and outgoing SMS. I hope my video will bring some important information with the OneUI 7 having on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Those who are waiting to get the OneUI 7 on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, just wait little more. I will bring another video how to flash the ROM on the Galaxy Note 10 family having Exynos chipset mobile phone. So this was a little review video of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus having OneUI 7. Well, I definitely say that this is the daily driver ROM. Those who like to have this ROM must go for it. Thank you for watching video. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.